Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry it took so long. I got really busy last week and just didn't get a chance to make the video. So here we are on Wednesday working on it. But regardless, hope you guys are doing great and welcome back to the series. This will be episode 2, the beginning, going over week 1 of my trades. I'm gonna try to make it a little bit of a shorter video. On average, I think around 5 minutes would be perfect. So for week 1, not really making any changes to the rules, so same rules as last week. $50,000 balance, $3,000 profit target, 1 micro a trade, no switching instruments. Still working on a strict risk management plan. I think after week 2, once I get a little bit more data, I'm going to decide on what to do. But again, all trade executions have to be between 9 and 12. And I got to write and post a summary of the day's trades to Discord every day. So here's the breakdown. Here's the recap. Just overall, ended up losing a little bit over $200 for week 1. Not the end of the world because, as I've said before, I'll say it again. Whole point of this is become a better trader. I want to get more consistent. I want to make sure that I'm making good trades. I'm not just out here to make money. You know what I mean? Like, the money will come. So let me break it down for you. Monday, it's terrible start. 35% win rate, 40 trades, minus $300. Just wasn't a good start. I was up 80 in the first hour. Ended up taking a couple losses that I probably shouldn't have, and because of that, I wanted to make it back. And just over traded, revenge traded, and before I knew it, down 300. Pretty brutal start to the challenge, but it is what it is. Tuesday, I decided to, tighten up a little bit, make sure I'm doing the right stuff. Ended up having a 52% win rate, which is a lot better. Took fewer trades, and unfortunately, ended break even. It wasn't really that much better, but it's definitely better than ending red. I was up $117 in the first hour, and then I lost focus and started taking some dumb trades and gave it all back. So, and that's kind of a common theme, like I do really good in the first hour, either because the market is more in my favor or I'm more focused, just not distracted. I don't know what it is just yet, but that first hour goes pretty well. So Wednesday, similar story, 55% win rate, 9 trades, only took 9 because I had to trade an evaluation. Because I bought the evaluation in order to pass it during this promotion, and the promotion was about to end, so I had to, I had forgotten about it, so I ended up trading that after only 9 trades on this sim account, so that's why I didn't take too many today. But anyway, was up $60 in the first hour before I left, and well, not before I left, but I was up $60 in the first hour, lost a few trades, ended the day at $9.82 profit, which, again, pretty much break even, but better than nothing. But Thursday was the best day of the week by far, best day of the challenge, felt really, really, really good. 81% win rate, 11 trades for $124 profit. Obviously, it wasn't good enough to make up for Monday, but I felt so good about that day. Finally felt like things were starting to click. I traded with a focus on the process, wasn't worried about P&L at all. Only took 11 trades because I was super picky. I only took the ones I felt very confident in. I wasn't, trying to make more money. I wasn't trying to make back any losses. I was just focused. Felt really good. Friday, unfortunately, wasn't as good. Ended with a 50% win rate, and for some reason I got it in my head that, if I could have a day similar to Thursday, I could probably break even for the week. I can make up for Monday completely. So that's what I tried to do. And because of that, I kept forcing trades, taking things I probably shouldn't have, and ended up losing $46. So overall, not the worst start to the week, but could be better. Regardless, though, I'm very happy with how Thursday went, and I hope to replicate that in the coming weeks. Maybe make it a little more consistent. So, only making one pretty big change for the week. Just something for to keep in the back of my head. I need to stay focused or stop trading. Like, I don't need to trade all day if it means that I'm going to be trading worse as the day goes on. Because especially later in the trading session, I start to think about how I'm going to end the session rather than just focusing on trading. That P&L. Is just in the front of my mind instead of looking for good setups. Because of this, I end up convincing myself I'm seeing a good setup, and I ended up taking a dumb trade. So in the future, stay focused or stop trading. That's the goal. But like I said, gonna keep it short and sweet. I got to get started on this next week's video. I'm so behind with it all. But regardless, week 1 wasn't too bad, and hopefully week 2 and 3 and 4 and just all the weeks from here on out are going to be going pretty well. Regardless though, thank you guys very much for watching. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you next week.